Never carry him, you did here.
All the money I must check. Chauffeur. Yeah, go well, man.
This is lemon. Close. Oh, close. Huh? This is cashew tree. Okay, I'm gonna show you around a little bit here. It's a local farm settlement. Okay. Wow, this is how local farm settlement looks like in Africa. Oh, okay now. So this is how it looks like. Okay. This. You like this place? This is church. This is the church. Funny church, right? More like a reserve, like beautiful, pure, natural breed. Undiluted, unpolluted air here. Okay? The beauty of nature here. Just love coming to this place. Okay? So refreshing, beautiful. Yeah.
Nothing. You will go now. Nothing. You don't drive.
That place is easy. See this place again.
If you put down, you have the farmhouse. What the farmer means is to work.
Yeah, there you see. How do you like this place? This is palm tree. This is what is called palm tree. Okay. See that red stuff there. This is a young palm tree. This is coming up. These are palm trees. Okay. See how beautiful this place blooms. Pure nature. If you love nature, come here. Yeah, beautiful out there. Yeah, pure and natural. pure natural. Okay, all the trees are growing. Palm tree plantation. So you can see them over the place. These are palm trees. There's a day that doesn't know what palm tree is. These are palm trees, straight ones, okay? So just stay tuned. I'll show you cocoa tree, okay, as well. But I'm going to show you how it looks like, okay? When I get to that place where cocoa is, okay, I'm going to show it to you guys, okay? On top of the store, okay? So, you see the hub there, right? These are cassavas, okay? This is where we get most of our carbohydrate from, okay? I'm going to show you a good show of cassava right now, okay? I'll show you what cassava plants look like, okay? For those of you that don't know what cassava is, so I'm going to show you what it looks like, okay? So, these are cassava plantation, cassava farm. This is how it looks, okay? You can see that. These are cassavas, okay? So this is where we get most of our carbohydrate from, dairy, bar, starch, whatever it is. This is where we get it from, okay? This is palm tree, okay? I'm going to show you what cocoa looks like, okay? I'm going to show you cocoa tree, okay? Where we get chocolate from, Bombita, right? Okay, I'm going to show you tree right now, okay? Just hold on. We are very close to the farm now, where cocoa trees are planted, okay? So I'm going to show you. This is let me see that. That's the palm fruit. I love this. Can you see? What a beautiful nature it is. Yeah. See the trees all over the place. Pop, 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 pop. See, for those of you, this is cassava farm. You see, cassava plants. This is our water yam. This is a yummy. Yeah, you can see them. These are cassava, water yam together as well, okay? For those of you that doesn't know much about it. So let me just show you around. Big trees as well. This is cola nut tree. This is cola nut tree. This is how cola nut tree looks like. Okay, no, just see all these are cola nut tree plantation. You can see them from here. These are cola nut tree plantation. These are bananas. That is plantain. You can see that. This is plantain, banana. What else? Now we are getting close to cocoa tree plantation. Okay, you can see the white one there. That is cocoa. This is where your Bombita is getting from. Chocolate as well, right? Yeah. So this is one there. You see that? Yeah, that is one. That one is not ripe. You can see ripe ones. There are no ripe ones here. I'm just gonna show you ripe ones, okay? Those are green. They are not yet ripe. So we when they arrive, they become yellowish, okay, in color, okay? Okay, this is plantain. You see that? A huge tall tree. Yeah. So, just hold on. I'm going to show you the farm settlement. What all the farmers don't stay for some days, some months, before they return back home. Okay? I'm going to show you a little bit of it. Where the country life, what is it? Is it country life or what? That is not a country, it's country life, of course, it's country life. So this is how it is here in Africa. So I'm going to show you a little bit of it. Okay? Just a few, these are cassavas. Yeah. Well, let me give you a grand tour of what like the bush life looks like here, okay? I'm gonna give you a little taste of it, yeah? Wherever you're watching from. This is country, okay? It's not due for harvest yet. I love this, right? So this is a cocoa tree. You see that? This cocoa. Oh man, how can you see that? Oh, that is a little bit darker. You can see from there. This is yam tuber farm. Have you seen this before? Yam. You know what yam is? This is what a live tree of it looks like. This is what the live tree of the yam looks like, okay? You're the one standing, kind of like rope like stem. I have a corner. Okay? This is the yam. Okay? Yam trees. Mango tree. You see, this is mango tree. This is cocoa. I'm going to show you more beautiful place here, okay? Just hold on, I'm going to show you some stuff here, okay? So let me show you what is the rubber tree, okay? That is it over there, the one there. I'll show you when I get closer. This is a rubber tree. This is one of it. You can see that very well. This is a rubber tree, okay? This is what rubber tree looks like. This is some kola nut tree. What is it? Banana. Okay, some that is that heap of stuff there is kernel. That is kernel, palm kernel. Okay, it's gotten from palm tree fruit. Okay, so when the yellow part, the red part has been removed, you see, that is it. You see, this is an abandoned school. It's no more functioning anymore. Okay. This is plantain. This coconut. Okay. Yeah, you can see this is cool. Yeah, this kind of work I do is showing my life there. Beautiful lifestyle here. Okay, in the bed, right? Yeah, okay. These natural things out here. A lot of plants, animals, flowers. Okay, it's awesome. Okay, it's awesome. Awesome, bro. It is once in a while. Yeah, so nature, natural air. You see, I'm enjoying from this place. See how the place is. See this place. So green. Okay. See that? Lovely. Okay. That is my life, okay? I'm happy. You too should be happy wherever you are. What situation you find yourself, be happy. Enjoy every single moment. Eat good. Eat right. That's life, bro. Wait. Hold on, I'm going to show you some sentiments here. Funny, some sentiments here. This house, anyway, it's different. Depends the tribe you're from. Okay, like here now, Yorubas from Nigeria. Here, section of Yorubas from Nigeria. This is how their farm settlement looks like. Okay, show you the building. But other tribes here in Nigeria, their farm settlements is a little bit different from this. Okay, some are into herd, they are herders, while some are into farming like planting of food, stuff like grand, two bars, and so forth. Okay, so a little bit difference there. Okay, like the houses, they have the way they set up their farm settlements. The Yorubas is different from the Igbos, okay, and other minority tribes. So that is how it is. But here right now, I'm in more or less like Yoruba. The reason is this: there are a little section from Yoruba tribes, okay. So I also call them Yorubas anyway. So this is how their settlements look like, okay. So just hold on. I'm still gonna show you some building, some local farm settlement building, okay. It's mostly made pure natural, okay. It's of recent now they are using roofing sheets. Initially this is what they used some years ago. Base farm front to roof their building. Okay, something like this. Because of recent technology advancements, they now use roofing sheet. However, aluminum roofing sheet, okay, different kind. Also they use okay, but more is more. Okay, the structure of the building is more. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how it looks here. Okay, hold on. How do you like this space? Is natural, pure natural hair. This is bamboo. You know this? This is bamboo. Oh, you see that? That is bamboo. But grass, right? It's not a tree. Bamboo is a grass. It's better. I was about some years ago. Bamboo is a grass. Okay. So just hold on. It's gonna show you some stuff. Okay. Gosh, this is beautiful. You see that? It's a long pumpkin plantation going on. It's a dead palm tree. Okay, when it's dead, everything has a time. Okay. See, this is some cocoa palm tree. Okay, and see this is what this is cocoa tree. Okay, this is unripe cocoa. I will show you. Just hold on, I'm gonna show you a good picture of ripe one. Just trying to locate on. Yeah. So there was one here. This is some there. Okay, this is what a cocoa looks like. Okay, this one here I did for harvest. Okay, this is one here too. You can see this. This is cocoa. This is pure cocoa. Try and eat this. It's natural and healthy for you, okay? I love eating that so much, okay? It's very healthy. You should try it. Some people doesn't know that. It's funny. That is according to them, so I've not seen it where it's being processed. They say it's used to making chocolate, bonvita, what else? And so forth, okay? So that is cocoa, in case you don't know. You should learn that from me. So let's be close to where the farm settlement is now. Okay, you can see. panel. This is palm panel. You see it. This is palm panel. After the red part has been removed, okay, left with a hard part of it. So to remove the nut inside, yes, okay, this. It's a local farm settlement, okay. You see this. This is their settlement, okay. They come here to farm, purchase their farm product, take it to the city or town to market them all, okay. This is where they usually come. They stay here for some days, maybe months, okay. Process their farm products and send it to the city, okay. Most of the farmers are not around now, so they usually do a monthly garden, usually do. So all of them have gone out, have gone home because of that. So you see, there are more people here. This is called cuckoo. That is from cassava. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Michelle. Nature too, so gotta go now. Let's show you a little tour of what this place is like, okay? I hope you like this place. And we have more videos to come the way like this. Well, you can see I have little view. Let's all reflect, okay? This is noisy. I don't know if you can hear me very well. Okay, so you see this? Bamboo tree. That is bamboo tree, okay? Grass, okay. There is it. It's a bigger one. You can see that. Right. Okay. Grass. Bamboo grass. Orange. Okay. So that's a few. I love nature. Love you too. Yeah. Bye bye. See you in the next video. The house is wonderful. House is view. The water is now peace here. Okay. Life. All right, country life. Okay. The world is real life. Okay. Thank you so much.